How to fix your Samsung Health app not working. Look up for the update for the very first option. If To do that, you need to go to Play Store, but before that, make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe option. So let's go to our Play Store. After going to a Play Store, search for Samsung Health. After searching for it, tap on the application, and when you tap on it, if your app needs any update, you will see the update option. Instead of open here, just tap on update and wait for your app to be updated and see if that makes any changes onto your device. So even if this method doesn't work for your phone, then what you can do is just go back and go to the settings of the app. For that, just long press on it and tap on this eye icon, and here you need to go under storage. After going under storage, here you can see clear data and clear cache option. Just tap on clear cache and that will reset or refresh your application. And if that doesn't work, then you may just tap on clear data, which will clear everything of that app, and you need to reset everything. So the next step is if that So the next step is, if both of these steps doesn't work, then what you need to do is just reinstall the application onto your device. Just uninstall it and reinstall it. For uninstalling, just long press on it and tap on this uninstall option and confirm the installation. After the installation happens, you need to reinstall it by going into your App Store or your Google Play Store. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.